The worst kind of stagnation doesn't feel like stagnation. It feels productive. Stay with me. You wake up early, you work, you train, you plan, you try. You end the day thinking, at least I moved. But moving is not the same as advancing. A treadmill moves, it makes noise, it burns energy, and it stays in the same place. That's motion. Progress is different. Progress changes something. Motion feels productive. Progress feels intentional. Most people don't feel stuck because they're lazy. They feel stuck because they're constantly active. More hours, more effort, more pressure. But they never stop to ask, is this actually taking me somewhere? Because that question forces clarity. And clarity exposes misdirection. You can work hard in the wrong direction for years. You can lift heavier and still not grow. You can stay busy and still fall behind. Motion hides stagnation. Progress reveals it. Motion is activity. Progress is adaptation. Motion makes you tired. Progress makes you better. And most people choose exhaustion over improvement. Because exhaustion feels like effort. Improvement requires awareness. So slow down, not to do less, but to think. Because more movement won't fix misalignment. Most people don't feel stuck because they aren't trying. They feel stuck because they never checked if they were going anywhere. Don't chase motion, chase direction, because if nothing is changing, you're just moving.